Yeah, in some way I was kind of tricked into shooting this video the day that we did it. We were supposed to be doing some test footage, and I was like, yeah, I got some new contacts. I don't even know if you can tell that day because they were horrible. They were almost the same color as my eyes. Anyway, and I was like, yeah, I'll try this, and I got this. It was like 1,000,000 degrees out. I had not a wife beater, but like a cutoff t-shirt that day, and it was a ridiculous day. So we're like, okay, we'll go down there, I'm gonna shave, you know, if we're gonna do test footage, you know, yeah, there you go. And we get down there, and you know, we're just doing the thing, and one thing just keeps leading to another, and we were like, hey, this kind of works. I think we're gonna go with this. So I don't know. I like the spontaneity that came with everything. I think if we had scripted it or planned everything that happened, might not have gotten the same intensity. And that's what really attracted me to this particular video, was that there was so much intensity that we were just drawn to it.